Question number 1. Who wrote Aspects of Kashmiri Saivism? Answer: B. N. Pandit. Question number 2. Inside Kashmir was authored by. Answer: D. P. N. Bazaz.
Question number 3. Integration of Jammu and Kashmir authored by. Answer: B. V. P. Menon. Question number 4. Buddhism in Kashmir authored by. Answer: J. N. Ganhar. Question number 5. History of Buddhism in Kashmir authored by. Answer: Sarla Khosla. Question number 6. The Advent of Islam in Kashmir authored by. Answer: S. M. Iqbal. Question number 7. Sufism in Kashmir authored by. Answer: A.Q. Rafiqi. Question number 8. This happened in Kashmir written by. Answer: Krishna Mehta. Question number 9. Kashmir in the United Nations written by. Answer: Surendra Chopra. Question number 10. The Kashmir story authored by. Answer: B. L. Sharma.